everyone, it's Celia, Chelsea West Village Real Estate. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today you and I are going to take a stroll through the Chelsea Market. So the Chelsea Market is a fabulous food court that opened in 1997. Prior to this, however, this was the location of the Nabisco factory dating back to the 1850s. So you'll notice the beautiful exposed brick walls. Currently, Google owns this building, and there are several businesses, Google, YouTube, EMI Music, and others who rent the upper floors of the market. So this market has 55 vendors in terms of the food hall. In addition to that, we have other wonderful retailers. If you want to buy clothing, candles, flowers, and other artisanal products. So this market has millions of people passing through it annually. It's a very wonderful place to come, to shop, to dine, and of course to people watch. We have some more of the exposed brick. So the food court has a wonderful selection of seafood, Asian cuisine, Italian cuisine, and other cultures. So what I'm going to show you now, we're coming across some wonderful artwork that dates back to when the Nabisco factory was here. So we have this beautiful image of the Nabisco tin can and also our beloved Oreo cookie. I just love the exposed brick, don't you? Over here we have a nice sign telling you where the vendors' businesses are located. Cohen Pistol is a very popular oyster bar. Have the lobster place. Chelsea apparel that you can purchase. We also have the Chelsea Market where you can actually purchase groceries. It's a wonderful store. So we're heading downstairs now. Have a look at the Chelsea Market. The Artec house down here. So we have a fruit market in here. Here we have Italian food. Those of you who love cheese, we have Saxby cheesemongers over here. So we have peatiness hot sauces on this side. Lovely selection. This is a fantastic place if you want to buy anything. So we have a wonderful bakery called Alf's Bakery. Get your baked goods over here. There's an Asian food market. It's a very popular spot. So despite being crowded, it doesn't feel crowded. It's spacious enough where you're not bumping into other people. And it's just a pleasant place, like I said, to come, to shop, to dine, and of course, to people watch. Conveniently located throughout the market, we have several ATM machines if you need to withdraw some money. So Eat Off Beat is a very popular place to dine. And then we have a bookstore over here. Mi piace tanto. Chelsea basket. Fun place to shop. Yeah, chocolates, lots of baskets. So that's the Chelsea market basket. So this was just a little snippet of what the Chelsea market has to offer you. So I'm hoping when you do come to Chelsea, you'll come and spend some time here. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour, and until the next time, you take excellent care of yourself, and I hope to see you again soon.